It's Friday, 27th December, and the market has experienced a strong day with mixed trends across sectors. While certain stocks are showing strong performance, overall benchmarks are maintaining a steady pace. Stay tuned for detailed insights. The Nifty ended up by 63 points at 23,813, while the Sensex closed higher by 226 points at 78,699. The broader market saw mixed performance, with 1,866 stocks advancing and 1,946 declining. Auto, pharma, and media sectors showed positive momentum, while realty, PSU bank, oil and gas, and metal stocks faced losses. Dr. Reddy's Labs, M&M, IndusInd Bank, Eicher Motors, and Bajaj Finance led the gains, lending strength to the indices. Meanwhile, Hindalco Industries, SBI, ONGC, Coal India, and Bharat Electronics were the top losers, weighing on market sentiment. The rupee fell for the fourth straight session on Friday, hitting an intraday low of 85.80 against the US dollar before closing at 85.52, down 25 paise. Persistent dollar strength and capital outflows weighed on the currency, driven by month-end and year-end greenback demand. Easing global crude prices and positive domestic equities provided some relief, but the dollar index remained firm. Anya Polytech and Fertilizers IPO was subscribed 18.76 times by day 2, receiving 60.03 crore bids for the 3.2 crore shares on offer. Retail investors led with 49.82 crore shares, while non-institutional investors subscribed 5.55 times their allotted shares. SEBI has imposed a penalty of 54 lakh rupees on Jaiprakash Power Ventures and its top officials for misrepresenting the company's financial statements. The fine was also levied on MD and CEO Suren Jain, Chairperson Manoj Gaur, Executive Directors Sunil Kumar Sharma and Praveen Kumar Singh, CFO R.K. Porwal, and former whole-time member M.K.V. Rama Rao. The broader markets showed mixed performance today. The Nifty Midcap 100 slipped 0.26%, reflecting some pressure on midcap stocks, while the Smallcap 100 edged up 0.15%, signaling selective interest in smaller stocks. This divergence highlights a cautious yet targeted approach among market participants. Gold struggles amid mixed signals, trading at $2,624, down 0.35%. Geopolitical tensions, including Israeli and Russian military actions, support safe haven demand. However, gains are capped by a stronger dollar, up for a fourth week, and rising U.S. Treasury yields at 4.607%. SEBI has officially withdrawn its recognition of the Indian Commodity Exchange Limited, marking the exchange's formal exit from the bourse business. This decision comes after a 2-year period during which ICEX met the regulatory requirements set by the market regulator. The move follows SEBI's approval on 11th December, allowing the exchange to cease its operations in the exchange space. Cochin Shipyard shares soared to hit the 5% upper circuit at 1,532 rupees on the BSE, following a significant 450 crore rupees order win from Adani Ports. The order, secured by its subsidiary Udupi Cochin Shipyard, focuses on constructing 8 advanced harbour tugs. The development bolstered investor sentiment. Shares of NMDC, India's largest iron ore producer, traded ex-bonus on Friday following the record date set for its 2-1 bonus issue. The stock adjusted to reflect the bonus allotment, with its price now excluding the value of the additional shares. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.